Hi everybody, it's me, RevEssie. I'm back after quite a while. I haven't, the weather's been so bad, I haven't canned anything because we canned so many things and we were so prepared for the winter. I didn't want to take out a lot of time. So what I'm doing now is I just got finished canning some, as you can see the steam coming up. I just got finished canning some milk and I wanted to share this moment with you, if you don't mind. I'm going to let that set for a while and then I'll take them out. There's 7 quarts of milk in there. All right, and here we go. I'm going to take them out now, let you see what my quarts of milk came out like. This is a vanilla one. I'll put it here so you can maybe see the difference of colors. This also is vanilla. And this one is vanilla. I made 3 vanillas. You can put anything in them that you want as far as like your coffee or whatever you're going to be using your milk for. Comes out like evap. It's actually evaporated milk. And here's the regulars. As you see, they're still processing. Last one. And as you can see, even the color lets you know it's evaporated milk. It colors up. And the longer you leave it, what I did was, I'll tell you real quick, I put them in cold water, 3 quarts of cold water in the pressure cooker, and then I put the cold milk in. Of course, you wipe the lids and everything, put it in, let it heat up, and let it steam for 10 minutes. Let it steam, and then you put on your weight. And then you put your weight on. Okay, I put 10 pounds on. You put your weight on according to your altitude. And when the weight begins to jiggle, simply turn it off. It's processed, and all the air is taken out of the jars. And when, as you can see, some of these are sealing. When the weight begins to jiggle, turn it off, and then let it set until the, I'll show you. Let it set until, let me see if I can do this. There. Hi. Until that goes down. All right. And after it goes down, crack it back a little bit and let the air out. These are quarts. I usually crack it back about 5 minutes, but the way they sounded, maybe I should leave them in maybe 10 minutes for quarts. And then take it off and take them out. And that's exactly how you do it. Thanks for watching. Oh, they're sealing. There they go. There was one. Glad it happened. Let me see if I can get another one to seal and pop while we're on. And now I am preparing to do 5 quarts of Johnsonville hot and mild Italian sausage. And I'll show you what they look like when they come. I wanted to show you what I'm going, my second batch. My milk is over here to the left. And now I have, this is hot sausage. I have 3 hot sausages in, and I have 2 round steaks in, and 2 mouths. And I'll let you see what they look like when, this is actually 2 round steaks. I just put 1 in whole, and then I cut up the second one and put it in pieces. Hello everybody, I'm back, and the meat is done. the mild sausage, the hot sausage, and the round steak. I have round steak is done. So I had this, you can see I have the lid on the canner set back a little bit. I'm getting ready to take it out. And as you can see, I did 7 quarts of milk earlier, evap. And now I'm going to do these. All right, here we go. This is the hot sausage. That's the hot sausage. That's why you don't put water in it. See how high that came up? And I mean, you can tell the way that comes out in a pressure cooker, that sausage falls apart. All you really need is like mashed potatoes or rice or something to eat with it, get a vegetable. I'll take out the 3 hots. Okay. And now I'll take out the mild. Now I will take out the round steak. Look how much liquid the round steak made. That's why you don't add sauce. You know what I mean? Add water to it or anything. I'll put it like this. This would be the round steak. Okay. And I'm going to show you inside. All right, yeah. Walk with me. Walk with me. There we go. And this is the inside. Inside's clean. Nothing boiled over. God is good. And there they are. This was my bounty for today. I had a meat order yesterday and today, and I just got it done in just a couple hours. So there it is. And the evap milk is really good. I mean, it's there for you whenever you need it. And yes, it's evaporized. It's processed. So, God is good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.